This is one real case study for one client from Indonesia. So we can see this pension drive was originally capacity 0 detected. Now we can check the COM terminal messages like this one, and the pension drive was capacity 0, and then we just enter the program. We run the menu, translator operations, regenerate the translator by ATA mode. Then we can see the drive is now detected correctly. But when we try to access the data arrow, and we can see the drive is partially accessed. So how to fix this partial sector access? We can go to the translator operations, not RM. Now we can try if the partial sector access fix. This is the auto fix solution. If we can find this bad sector, the bad locations, and then add bad locations to the engine list and see. Let's try again. The RW arrow has disappeared, but We can try to check the data error. So the front part is okay. Let's check the ending part. So this one is also okay. Now let's check the closing LBA part. Line 3. So there is still some partial issue. So we still need to try to fix the partial issue. You can try this auto partial sector access fix. You can see the bad sector LBA has been found. So these bad locations have been found and now added to the nginx automatically. So this is the auto fix for the partial sector access for this pension drive. We can see the family is 5400.6 and the family ID is 3C. Usually after these bad locations are added to the engine list automatically and then regenerate the translator automatically by this utility, and then this drive will be fully accessed. Right now we can see already 80% of the drive has been accessed. Now we can see the bad sectors have been added. Now the program is searching the new bad locations. And these bad sectors are not real bad sectors. Please note this. They are just the we can see now translator restore success. These bad locations have been added to the engine list. Now we can try to go to COM terminal and wait for 0. And from here we can see the names has been added here for okay. Now let's try to check the data arrow, and we can go to the ending part to see if the data arrow has been accessed or not. Click OK. Now we can see the data arrow is fully accessed, so this one is perfectly fixed, and users can now go to the DFLDDP to see all the data. So this one is very helpful, and when users see the partial sector access problem for this drive, users can go back to the software program and go to defects management and go to the translator operations, and all these menus are used to regenerate the translator in different modes for different cases. So this one is this menu, partial sector access fix auto. This one is very helpful for these old drives. For new drives, we can try the partial sector access using this one, LM series. Now this drive has been fully fixed, and the data array is fully accessed now.